In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom fonts to WordPress with Elementor. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to upload your own font files and make them available inside Elementor, so you can keep your website perfectly on brand. Let's start from your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're logged in, look over to the left-hand sidebar and find the Elementor menu item. Hover your mouse over Elementor to expand its options, then click on the editor option. This takes you into the Elementor dashboard inside WordPress, where you can manage design-related settings and custom assets. On the left panel of the Elementor dashboard, look for the section called Custom Elements. Under that, you should see an option labeled Fonts. Go ahead and click on Fonts. This is where you'll manage any custom fonts you add and where you'll be able to create new font families that Elementor can recognize and use. Inside the custom font area, you'll see an option on the top right to add a new font. Click the Add New Font button. A new panel will appear with a field where you can enter a name for your font family. Type in a clear, descriptive name here, ideally matching the actual name of the font, so it's easy to identify later when you're designing your pages. Next, Elementor will ask whether you're adding a static font or a variable font. If your font files are standard formats like TTF, OTF, WAF, or WAF, and don't change weight dynamically, choose the Add Static Font option. If you have a variable font that includes multiple weights or styles in a single file, select Add Variable Font instead. Most users will be working with static fonts, but pick the one that matches your font file type. Now you'll see different file format fields, each with an upload option on the right side. Find the format that matches the font file you have on your computer. Click the upload button next to that format. A pop-up window will appear from your WordPress media library. Click the Select Files button and another dialog will open from your computer. Locate your custom font file, select it, then press Enter or click Open. Wait for the font file to finish uploading to your media library. Once the upload is complete, click the Select button at the bottom right of the pop-up to confirm your choice and attach that font file to your new custom font entry in Elementor. When you're done, look over to the right sidebar of the screen. You'll see a Publish panel or card. Click the Publish button there to save and activate your custom font. After publishing, your new font family will be available inside Elementor's typography settings, ready for you to use across your headings, body text, and any other elements on your site.